the page, but never taught me how to break out the cage. They gave me math, but left out the game. How money flips, how to stack, how to change. Never told me about the taxes they take, how the system's rigged, how the rich escape. They push the loans, they push the debt. Never taught me how to build my own check. Numbers don't lie, but they keep us blind. Ain't no wealth in a school state mind. You wanna win, you gotta play it right. So open your eyes, time to take flight. Numbers, stack that cash, flip that coin. Don't be a pawn, gotta learn to join. The game ain't fair, but I read the signs. Now I play chess while they waste their time. They never taught me how to budget or save, just sent me off to be another wage slave. They never showed me how to make my cash grow, just how to clock in and do what I'm told. They sell a dream, but they keep us asleep, feeding us debt, then calling it free. Student loans, credit traps, interest rates climb. By the time you wake up, you lost all your time. Numbers don't lie, but they keep us blind. Ain't no wealth in a school state mind. You wanna win, you gotta play it right. So open your eyes, time to take flight. Numbers stack, ladge, flip that coin. Don't be a pawn, gotta learn to join. The game ain't fair, but I read the signs. Now I play chess while they waste their time. Debt is a chain, but they call it a gift. Sign the loan, now you're stuck in a shift. They push degrees like it's the only way, but millionaires learn how to make money pay. You clock in, grind, think you're getting ahead, but the rent goes up while your raise is dead. Wake up, this game's designed to steal, and the only way out is to learn what's real. Low down, deep moment. They told you get good grades, get a job, retire at 65. But what if I told you there's another way? Invest, don't flex, build wealth, don't stress. Passive income, that's the next step. You don't gotta trade your time for a dime. You gotta let the money multiply over time. They train you for jobs, but never for wealth. Teach you to obey, but not to invest in yourself. They tell you work hard, but don't teach the play. So you trade all your time for a minimum wage. A boss buys assets, a worker buys things. One stacks paper, the other buys bling. They tax your check, but the rich pay none, cause they own the system, they already won. Numbers don't lag, flip that coin. Don't be a pawn, gotta learn to join. The game ain't fair, but I read the signs.